Díodíobh, right, tá mé géirí an tríú dáin a dhéanamh inniu ar toismhart ar cibé. So anya man dain na mo Ghrá-sa idir Lúibíní le Lúibíní gonal. Now, Lúibíní are brackets, so between brackets is between brackets, so tá gran le feiceáil sa dáin seo. Rocky me faoi an dáin, an lagan próis agus an list of folklóra. Léhi me an dáin faoi go. First time I read it, I'll explain what's happening. Second time I read it, I'll go straight through it. It should make you a lot more sense, okay? So Níl mo Ghrá-sa mar bhlach na nární a bhíon in gáirgin nó ar cranarby. My lover, mo Ghrá-sa, my love, isn't cosúd le blachana. He's not like flowers. Níl sé dahul a bhíon in gáirgin that you would see in a garden or cranarby or on some tree. So ní far dahul far céile an illa an seo. Is má tá éon gé leige le nóníní, and if he has any relationship with daisies, rudí atá go hálín, is as a chluasa a así siad nuair a bheidh sé uchtdráid síos. It's only because he'll be grown out of his chluasa when he's buried 8 foot under. So nuair a bheidh sé marú sa relic, he might have nóníní or daisies coming out of his ears, but that's about it. Níl sé dahul. Ní héan glisise ceolmhar é de thuaille. His eyes aren't glistening or sparkling like a stream. Tá dro congrach da chéile ar an géad dul síos. They're too close together to begin with. So tá gran le feiceáil sa dáin seo cur síos scigiúil. It's like a parody of their love, but tá siad go hiomlann in rá lena chéile. But níl súile deasa ag an leabhar seo. Is má slim é siada, and if silk is smooth, tá ribí a grúige mar Van Gogh Shakespeare in a wire geligní. The strands of his hair are like Shakespeare's black-haired woman, like barbed wire in a wire geligní, so níl a chuid grúige go deasach irid. Now, the reference to Van Gogh Shakespeare is a reference to a sonnet written by Shakespeare called My Mistress's Eyes Are Nothing Like the Sun, in which case he kind of talks about his sweetheart and how much he loves her, but she's far from perfect. Díar a cosú leis an leabhar seo. Agus cuma sin, níl sin táhachtach, it's ní eanann sé differby nach bhfuil sé dahul. Tugann sé dú úla, he gives me apples. Is nuair a bhíonn sé neath humour, ceara finiúna, agus nuair a bhíonn jazz spin air, and when he's in good form, he gives me grapes, ceara finiúna. Now, níl muid ag caint go litir an seo faoi thorthaí. We're not talking about fruit here, literally. Úla sin réachtanis an tail, the necessities of life, agus ceara finiúna sin soanna an tail, the luxuries of life. So tugann sé ara waith donilla. Michael Yor, so léhi me freidiration is, agus ná gen jarmid gwil sha le genu, well, bhí sin le genu agam don scrúdú béal nílanis. Mo Ghrá-sa idir Lúibíní le Lúibíní gonal. Níl mo Ghrá-sa mar bhlach na nární a bhíon in gáirgin nó ar cranarby. Is má tá éon gé leige le nóníní, is as a chluasa a así siad nuair a bheidh sé uchtdráid síos. Ní héan glisise ceolmhar é de thuaille. Tá dro congrach da chéile ar an géad dul síos. Is má slim é siada, tá ribí a grúige mar Van Gogh Shakespeare in a wire geligní. Agus cuma sin, tugann sé dú úla, is nuair a bhíonn sé neath humour, ceara finiúna. Is mai le an dáin seo. Sílam go bhfuil grá specialta le feiceáil sa dáin, cé go bhfuil si cinne le magú faoin na far céile. Okay, so seo an lagan próis, mar soldíh, be an dáin printal sé amach ar an faber scrúdithe for gunne. It'll be printed out, so you need to know an alternative wording for it. Be familiar with Gaelic gifriil, okay? So níl mo leanan, níl mo Ghrá-sa, cosú le blach na nární. He's not like the flower of the blackthorn bush. Cosú le comes up a lot here, similar to. Atá le feiceáil in gáirgin ná ar éon cran, the likes that you would see in a garden or on a tree. Níl éon cosúlacht idir éisin agus nóníní. There's no similarity between himself agus blachana. Seachas na nóníní, except for the daisies, a así as a chluasa nuair a bheidh sé curtha sa cré, apart from the daisies growing out of his ears when he's dead and buried. Níl a chuid súil cosú le héan srochan. His eyes aren't like a glistening stream, agus tá chuid súil rógar da chéile sa chéad, and his eyes are too close together to begin with. Rógar sin Gaeilge eile ar ró congrach. Má tá siad a mean, if silk is smooth, tá chuid grúige cosú le shranga gelignach, like barbed wire, mar Van Gogh Shakespeare a ró grúig goracha urhi, coming from the sonnet called My Mistress's Eyes Are Nothing Like the Sun. Agus cuma liom, but it's no odds. Tugann sé ula do because he gives me apples. Marata reachtanis an tail do, the necessities of life, reachtanis an tail. Agus uanta, sometimes in amani nervian sé in yahi when he's in good form, tugann sé care finuna do, Marata soana an tail, the luxuries of life. That's what grapes represent. So it's maffer in on na turhi an sin na hula agus care finuna. Right, Rocky man is fridge on list of folklore ag veckenwid, an folklore bonusach a bheas de yi an shaw. And now kahat your herme bear with me. Shin shin. Mo Ghrá-sa Idir Lúibíní. So sa an store focal a bheas de yi. Winnen an dan shaw le grag an counter an illa da farcéla. Okay, unconditional love, sin tema an dain. Is gra réliacha ekamwid sa dan shaw. It's not like the old poems where it was very romanticized and the lover was like really unrealistic. It's gra réliacha shaw agus is dan réliacha shaw. So Jen and she cursius a lianan a farcéla. Ní réaltóg scanan níl sé intach dahul. Agus cuma lehi, mar níl sin táhachtach. That's not important, ní enin sé differ be don illa. So the reference to Bangu Shakespeare ta sin bonithe an dan a Lúibíní's Lúithe, and it's kind of a macula, a parallel with that. So ta sualia on céla ro cóngrach da céla ro gar da céla, níl sualia jasa ag an jaar céla. Agus ta chuj grúige cosú le geligne, no wire geligni, similar to barbed wire or thorns. Níl grúig jas But níl sin táhachtach. They've got their priorities straight here. That's not what's important. Is cuma cén dói arcanse, how he looks, or cuma farsanta sega. Is cursi is skigul an dan shaw. It's a parody, like a funny description of him. Agus ta eawana granwara le fecail sa dan fasta. So fecin muid or fecin nulani gonal an filla luchtana agus buana a farcéla. She sees his faults and his virtues. Agus tigan she nachhfuil sé furfa. So is airy and dan shaw ach níl sé sharu. It's an affectionate kind of a mocking that's going on. Is lergo will she go humlaning ra leis Jeric Maritashe. It's clear that she loves him just as he is. Jeric Maritashe is cuma lehi fina cuma. Agus na ruddy nachhfuil furha on. Now, so is cursius niau weithneach. It's an unsentimental description, which is níl sé sin cosú leis na danta gra traditionta, not similar to traditional poems in which the lover is kind of perfect. There's even reference to him being curhas a relic, buried in the graveyard le nóníní ag fás amach as a clúasa, tá gran le fecail an seo. So is léir go bhfuil féhan grin ag an illa. Agus ag an jaar chéla le cuidú déno, seans nach mééis sé róhásta faoin dan seo. Féhan grin atá le fecail an seo. Tá macula an fásta leis an Bibla. There's also a reference to the Bible. Hug Ewa ul dadu because Eve gave Adam an apple. And there's talk here about ula, reachtanis an tail, cara finuna, soana an tail. Agus a symbol an tool, den sirsha. So maybe the apple is a symbol of freedom. Beidir go ligan an farcéla da van, vesir agus neus blach, mar becordi ve. But is léir go bhfuil caidrú special til le fecail sa dan seo, idir an illa agus a farcéla. Is far jase, Jerhin gur far nua aimsirthe agus Jerem sa sin mar go bhfuil sé sásta cursiúas leis an cursi is skigul agus go bhfuil an filla ag magu faoi agus ní miste leis. Jerhin gur far nua aimsirthe agus far céla specialta. So sin an dan Mo Ghrá-sa Idir Lúibíní, tá an list of folklore sin le fólam agav, agus choirime sin thuas Google Classroom, agus tá cuidhór nótaí le genu agin, agus ceisna na cibérod, so chucky mé arás thugah rivewad, tá súil agam ghuiil sibh a lig bras lantiúil, agus le cuidú dé feici me sibh a ríis rivewad. Gur maigah.